What is Setup.Py? What is Setup.Py and how can it be configured or used?
Setup.py is a Python file, the presence of which is an indication that the module/package you are about to install has likely been packaged and distributed with distools, which is the standard for distributing Python modules. This allows you to easily install Python packages. Often it's enough to write. Pip will use Setup.py to install your module. Avoid calling Setup.py directly. If you downloaded package that has Setup.py in root folder, you can install it by running. If you are developing a project and are wondering what this file is useful for, check Python documentation on writing the setup script.
Setup.py is a Python script that is usually shipped with libraries or programs written in that language. Its purpose is the correct installation of the software. Many packages use the distutils framework in conjunction with Setup.py. This URL
Setup.py is Python's answer to a multi-platform installer and makefile. If you're familiar with command line installations, then make and make install translates to Python Setup.py build and Python Setup.py install. Some packages are pure Python and are only byte compiled. Others may contain native code, which will require a native compiler, like GCC or CL, and a Python interfacing module, like Swig or Pyrix.
What is the Beckon